Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is the best money making method. So you're gonna want to go to the office, okay? And then I'll show you what to do next. So we'll go here and go on this line. Okay, so instead of going into the main office area, you're gonna want to. Okay. I just have a hotgun on me. Oh yeah, and all you're gonna need is a flashlight, a crowbar, and a bag. So once that happens, you'll go over here and find the key card up here, but in later updates they usually move it, so yeah. And then wanna go over here. My hand's glitched. Okay. I'm gonna go over here. Oh, I don't need that. I just have it. You're gonna want to go over here. Okay. Walk over here. Okay. Now, in mostly every update, they change the code. So I want to stop here, check the code. And mine's 8449, but they're probably going to change it. So yeah, you should check that. 8449. You want to go over here and go up, and then you want to go into this room. You could also look for the snail, but yeah, if you want to do it first. So this is the rest. This is where you get all the more stuff from. Like, you know, hop into this. You might get radiated, but you can just go to the same time there. So you break this, and then yeah, you just have to collect these green chunks of uranium. And after that, just don't go near those. I'm gonna go back here. And you just keep doing that. Just keep doing that in all the open ones. Those things don't happen. Oh no. That was not supposed to happen. Okay guys, and I'm back. So, yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. But that was pretty funny. One fell out. Watch out for the grenade. Okay. Third one's down. One more to go, I think. I don't think my bag's fully filled, so you can just collect some of the little ones if you want. double check real quick. Did that one. Did that one. I did that one. Did that one. Hey. So you can collect all the little ones like you. I hope it's not for the sake of the time of the video. If you want to go in now. Here. And then this door. This door leads to. Yeah, it leads to nothing. Okay, so you're just gonna go back. And disappear. Okay, that disappeared. And I think you're good to go. Yo, there's sometimes like a big chunk here. So just fun. Nice to make back by going over here. See what you want. You know, collect some of these things. Oh, my back's full. Collect some of these. You can hold on your hands and just walk back. Oh yeah, also if you're looking at the VHS tape, in here with the dead guy. Okay. Here, gonna speed this up. Also, by the way, once you get that shredder, don't shred it out. Don't put anything. Okay. Now you're back here. And you just wanna dump your bag out. Like that. So you drop the bag in there. You want to click all of them? Final assault. And now, final assault. 20,000 just from one run. One run. That was a quick one too. So, that's it for the video, and bye.